Hello there, crafty friends. I know it's been a very long time since I've done a video. Seems like work got very busy and kind of crazy, and then in the evenings I was kind of wiped out. Okay, I was very wiped out. Didn't have the energy or desire to do much. My crafting kind of came to a very slow stall. But as of last Wednesday, I am home in a boot on my ankle with the orders to rest. I have tendinosis, which is basically a bunch of scar tissue on the back of my ankle where the tendon has torn and then not repaired correctly. It is very painful. I have a little bump. Okay, not little, a big bump. And it's gotten to the point where it's very painful to walk. So I'm home to rest and be in a boot for 3 weeks, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Doctor said it could be a very slow and painful healing process. So excited for that. But luckily I don't have to have it propped up, so I'm still able to craft and still able to make videos. So I hope to be providing lots of inspiration at least over the next 3 weeks, and then we'll see from there. Yesterday was World Card Making Day. I made a couple cards, but the one I wanted to show today was this one. This was a freebie from Sweet November Stamps, only for this weekend. Might have only been yesterday. And if you created a card like with this image and shared it in the Friends of Sweet November Stamps group on Facebook, then you also got a second freebie. I will post the link to my blog post below, and you can check it out for yourself. Even if she's not free, she's definitely cute. I colored her with Copic markers and then added some paper, and the sentiment comes with her. I just thought she was adorable, and it was super fun. Today I hope to be doing lots more crafting. Crafting Chemi had several challenges, plus they have a guest designer call, so I want to enter that. And then my friend Christy is a Stamping Up demo, and she put out a couple Stamping Up challenges for her group. So hopefully I will be crafty today, and we'll have lots of it, like I said, lots of inspiration to share. Thanks for stopping by. I know this is super quick. It's going to take me a little bit to get back in the routine of making videos, so bear with me. And if you like what you see or what you hope to see, I hope to do more coloring. I still need to do the interactive card process videos. I have a long list of things I want to do and share with you. So I hope you'll come back, hit subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you soon. Until then, do something for yourself, whether it's getting crafty, buying crafty supplies, taking a nap, or just sitting and breathing. Have a great day.